This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a new message group on your PlayStation 5 so you can go ahead and easily communicate and then invite your friends to the game. So what we want to do is press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then go on down to the game base right here, and then scroll on down to where the messages are. Then go to the right and go to new messages on the top and select this. Now you can go to your friends and you can add the friends to the message group. Or you can go to like play together and scroll on down if you have someone under there that you were playing with and you want to go ahead and invite them to the group. And you don't have to be friends. Otherwise you can just search for some random person and then type that in and you can add them to the message group as well. So let's just do this person and this person, and then we can go on over to OK. Now you can also do this with your friends, so just add them to the group. Notice when we have like 2 or more people, I believe, we can go ahead and go to the group settings and then we can start customizing it. So another way to get to the group settings is to go to more and then go to group settings right here, and then we can change the group image. So let's just change this around, maybe select this one right here. Let's just go to the Master Chief one, or my car right here. So let's select it and then we can position this, we can zoom it, we can rotate it around. So let's save this, and now that is the group image. And then let's type something random, maybe like that. So once we have the name on there, we can press R2 and go to OK. And now we need to send a message for the group to be like official. So let's just say hi. And we have created the group. So make sure you send a message. Then we can back out and we can see the group under here, recent. And I suggest adding this as a favorite. Go back to here and then go to add favorites, and the group will show up on the top here under your favorites section, and it will never rotate away when people send you more messages. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.